Hey Specs! Welcome back to my channel. I'll be giving away this Roku Streaming Stick 4K, but first, let me tell you how I got here. Here's a quick solution to my problem. As you could encounter the same issue at some point. I tried downloading the Prime Video app on my TV's built-in Roku, but I was unable to find it when searching through the other apps. When I sign into my account on a web browser, I can see the app, and I tried pushing the installation from here to my account, but it still wouldn't show up on my TV. I swept all the sections in my account looking for possibly a region setting that I could change. Because my account was set up when I was out of country a long time ago, I had no idea if this could be the reason. After countless hours of troubleshooting and research, I landed on a few forum posts that indicated the version of Roku software on the TV may not be compatible and a newer TV or Roku device will be required. I figured I'd give it a shot, so I did my research and concluded that the Roku Streaming Stick 4K would work best for me. So, I bought it. Once it arrived and I unboxed it, I connected it to my TV, signed in my account, and finally found out that this wasn't a solution for me. I still could not get the Prime Video app installed. Then, I tried another account on the Roku Stick. And voila! I was able to download the Prime Video app. Signed in the other account on my TV, and the Prime Video app worked there too. So I decided to finally close my Roku account and delete the associated data. Once I recreated the account, I was able to download the app and it worked flawlessly. So in a nutshell, the region is set when you're creating the account and there's no way to change it after for an existing account, unless you opt for closing your account and deleting the data, which is not really changing per se. This is why I'll be giving away this Roku Streaming Stick 4K. It's a device I bought that I didn't really need, which I didn't know at the time, of course. Anyway, let's dive into the unboxing. As you saw earlier and can tell by the name, it offers up to 4K quality, depending on your TV's display resolution, and has lots of channel apps to download for free. Though, subscription is required for some. It has dual-band Wi-Fi, so both 2.4 and 5 GHz, and with the USB cable plugged in and powered, the long-range receiver feature offers better connectivity farther from your router. I'll just flip through the guide quickly to keep the video short, but you be sure to review thoroughly when setting up yours. As you can see, the Roku Streaming Stick 4K comes with the remote, USB cable, charging adapter, and setup guide. It also comes with some stickers, kinda like Apple products do. It can work with Apple AirPlay and Home, Alexa, and Google Home. The remote's layout is quite simple, and the remote even has voice search, and can be used to control your TV. I've been using the Roku box and TV for over 10 years now, so I expect the streaming stick should work equally well. It's very simple to use, which is probably why the added complexity of changing regions is not allowed. Haha. So, about the giveaway. I haven't finalized the details yet, but I'm trying to figure out the best way I can choose someone. So far, I'm at a point where it's either the top subscriber, as in the subscriber who engages most with my channel and content. The other option is to randomly select subscribers from a pool of names. However, the giveaway won't take place until I reach 500 subscribers. So, the more you engage with my content, the faster I can reach there and give away the Roku Streaming Stick 4K. Be sure to look out for an upcoming video where I'll lay out the finalized details of the giveaway. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel to show your love and support.